Right in front of us is the Krone S Bundle. With the DollyPLUS down here, the SliderPLUS right here, and the HeadPLUS up top, let's jump straight into point mode using this setup. Right now, the app is asking us to face the camera straight forward. We need to aim it dead ahead, making sure the SliderPLUS is positioned directly behind it. We just double check from the side and top and then tap Done. Now, the system is asking which part of the tripod the SliderPLUS is positioned on. Let's see which of the three options applies to us. To find the answer, we will use the direction of the DollyPLUS as our reference. The DollyPLUS side corresponds to region 1. Our current setup matches this perfectly. The SliderPLUS is pointing exactly in the DollyPLUS direction. If the SliderPLUS had been set up pointing this way, it would correspond to zone 3. Or if it had been set up facing that direction, it would be zone 2. Since our zone is 1, I tap 1 on the screen, completing my point mode calibration just like that. It's now ready to use.